In today's video, we're going to hatch the volcano eggs. We're going to hatch 30 minutes. We're going to use the triple hatch and the octuple hatch. I'm going to buy the octuple hatch and later in this video, and let's just see if we can get a huge. So let's jump right into it. So we're just going to hatch this egg. I'm gonna set a timer of 30 minutes of each. Let's go. And there goes the timer. Okay, so did I get the huge? Nope. What's this little glitch where like stop hatching? So, well, now we're going to test this by what is it? The octuple eggs. Oh, I only have 26 bucks left. Wait. Oh my. Timer. I need to turn it off. But yeah. Did I get a huge? No, I didn't get a huge. But sure, leave a like and subscribe because I use a lot of time to edit and stuff. Would highly appreciate if you just click that subscribe button. It would help me out a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.